Okay. So, can you all please close your eyes for 1 minute?
Of course.
1 minute.
No, only for few seconds.
Wow.
Close your eyes. Okay. Close your आंखें बंद कर ले भाई. Okay. So let imagine after 2 and 3 years, you all are get well settled in your life, and on weekend or on vacation, you get tired of your daily routine and you just entered in your car, whatever Lamborghini and Mercedes which you have. Then you started your car and just go on a long drive. Suddenly,
I just imagine.
yeah, imagine. Go on a long drives. Suddenly in road there is a hard dense fog, and you in speed you cross that, and after then you enter somewhere where is a full of greenery, high hills, mountain, and having cleanliness, and all people is clicking picture. So you suddenly realize where I come, and then there is a board behind you. Welcome to Switzerland.
Can I open my eyes?
So yeah, now you can open. We are entered in Switzerland. क्या? I know after 3 years you all are single. So. Because if you are 21, so till now not happened, so in 3 years. So let me start. So welcome in Switzerland. So, Switzerland is known as the heaven in the world. It has a high mountain, greenery, and snowfalls in the season, in winter season. Switzerland has a very has a population of 10 million people in its country. Around 70% of them live in urban area, and remaining 30% live in rural area, because they like to live in village. And in Switzerland there is a very unique law that after 10 p.m. you are not allowed to use flush in washroom, because it's very silent country. it it is not you, matlab in country the rule is that you have to not disturb others. So as we all know, Switzerland people are so innovative, so they has invented a soundless flush. Yeah, so you flush and no sound came. Yeah. And in Switzerland, every people has a fond of buying a gun, but it has a very low. Instead of around every man have a gun in country, but they has a lowest crime rate in in the in country. While talking about innovation and hard work, Swiss. By the way, Switzerland peoples are called Swiss. Swiss peoples are very hardworking and very innovative. They from there many scientists has get an Nobel Prize. And while in Switzerland, on an average, men get marriage after 32, and women get marriage after 39. Although they get, because they want to live in relationship, so that's why they marry late. And there is a one unique fact also. Switzerland has a highest rate of divorce. Yeah, I don't know why they have. They marry late also, and having the highest rate of. And Switzerland is also famous for cheese and chocolates. In Switzerland, people eat around 1 kg of cheese per month. Everyone eat a lot of cheese and lot of chocolates. As you all heard that they eat so many cheese and chocolates. Instead of this, they are fit because they do exercise a lot. Tourism. Switzerland has around in Switzerland millions of people come in year and years. 30% of economy of Switzerland is based on tourism. Tourism support a multicultural in its country, and in Switzerland it has a low unemployment rate. And Swiss people drink so much. Yeah, wine. They eat so much wine. Around, I have read a fact मतलब men's and women's both around 25 liters in a month they drink.
5 liters?
5 liters in a month.
Yeah, soft alcohol. मतलब includes alcohol, beers, wine, the sum of So they drink a lot. So if you want to chance to go there, I have one tips for you.
Okay.
So no drinking is not good. So if you want to get a chance to go Swiss, go and visit it in winter, because in winter there is a snowfall, so you enjoy that. And if at that time you want to save your money, so in Switzerland the hotels are so much expensive. Instead of taking hotel in city, you can go in a rural area and take hostels in there, so you get in 1/3 price of hotels. So that's all about Switzerland. Thank you.
This is divorce. It is not divorce. It is not divorce. It is divorce.